Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to transfer your XRP from Crypto.com to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, securing your assets on a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a smart move to protect against hacks and market volatility. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tips. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need a Crypto.com account with XRP in it, your Ledger Nano X device set up and connected to your computer, and the Ledger Live app installed. Oh, and always double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware for 2025 compatibility. Security is key. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open your Crypto.com app or website and log in securely. Navigate to your wallet section and select XRP from your assets. Step 2. Hit the Withdraw button for XRP. You'll need to enter the withdrawal amount. Start small if you're testing, and then choose the network. For XRP, it's usually the XRP Ledger network, so confirm that matches. Step 3. Now, switch to your Ledger Nano X. Unlock your device with your PIN and open the XRP app on it through Ledger Live. This will generate your XRP receiving address. Copy that address carefully, as it's case sensitive. Step 4. Back on Crypto.com, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Double check everything: the address, the amount, and any fees. In 2025, expect network fees to be around 0.00001 XRP or so, but it varies. Step 5. Review the transaction details one last time, then confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Step 6. Head back to Ledger Live and refresh your XRP balance. It should show up shortly, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your XRP to your Ledger Nano X. Remember, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication, keep your private keys offline, and never share your seed phrase. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and crypto savvy.